All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is day number 37. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So the purpose of this video series is I'm promoting ClickBank products with a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform. I'll log out real quick. For $1 a day, they will give you 100 leads every single day for $1 a day. The case studies that I've seen people sign up 5 accounts to do this. So they'll have 5 different accounts. And the reason they do this is because whenever I sign back in, I'll show you. So for them to do this, or why they do this, it's because they get 100 bonus leads every single day for each account that they have somebody sign up underneath it. So if I was going to sign up my second account, I would take this link right here, copy it, paste and go into another tab or whatever. Then I would just sign up. Click on use my secret now, sign up again. And that's how you'll sign up your second account. And whenever you do that, that will give your first account 100 bonus leads. And then your second account, if you got a third account that you want to add, you will take your link for your second account and you'll sign up your third account underneath your second account, your fourth account underneath your third account, your fifth account underneath the fourth account. I explain this better. If you click on the playlist for the ClickBank series below this video, start at the very beginning. I explain everything a lot slower. Now I'm just sending out emails. I'm not going to explain everything every single video. So just go back and watch that. And also there's a link to My Lead Gen Secrets, so you can click on that and it'll take you to a page to where you can get signed up. It costs $30 to sign up an account. Each account is going to be a one-time fee of $30. So if you sign up 5 accounts, that's $150 you have to pay, $30 for each account. I did 2 accounts, so I had to pay $60. Then after that, it's $1 a day until you cancel. So that $30 is only a one-time fee. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to check my stats from yesterday on ClickBank. Uh-oh, and we got a sale. Looky there. All right, so I'm going to write that in my stats sheet. We got it on the 6th, so I'm not going to fill out the stat sheet for today until tomorrow, if that makes sense, because we still have hours, plenty of hours left for today. So I'm not going to fill out today's stats until tomorrow. So that was $12.11 if I'm not mistaken. Yep, $12.11. I gotta find out what account that came from. Man, my computer. All right. So I'm going to click on my account nickname and it's going to take me to a whole new screen. I'm going to close out the other one. As you can see, I got my sale right there. And so far this week, we've made $30.09. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to reporting. So I'm going to change my hops to 5308. And it was the social paid app that we got a sell for. Now I'm going to click on by tracking ID. And it was the first account that got it. You can see right here. That one's got 3 sales so far. So I'm going to put another 1 for MLGS, my first account. All right. Now it's time to promote. So I'm going to come up here to the marketplace and find a product to promote. And on the far left-hand side, the one and only category that these leads will work for is right here, the e-business and e-marketing. They will not work for anything else. That's the only category that these leads from My Lead Gen Secret will work for. They won't work for education, employment and jobs, fiction, games. They only work for e-business and e-marketing. So if you have any other products that fall in that category, like if you're an affiliate marketer for other products that fall in the e-business and e-marketing category, these leads will work for that as well. I use this to promote my high ticket product and my other product that I sell as well. But I'm teaching you all how to use the whole program itself pretty much, but we're just using ClickBank products. You can use whatever products you want in place of these ClickBank products, as long as they fall into e-business and e-marketing. So I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing and sort results by gravity. This is the product we're promoting. I'm going to go ahead and promote it again since we just got a sell. I'm going to click on the affiliate page right here. It's going to take me to their affiliate page. So now I'm going to click on email swipes. Now I got to find out what email I sent last. So I'm going to click on mailing system. This is how we're going to send out the emails. I'm going to click on mailing systems. I'm going to click on select all. It's going to select all 34,000 plus leads. So the last email I sent said get paid $175 a day for uploading TikTok. All right, so that was email number 16, as you can see right there. So I'm going to go to email 17 and find a headline. I'm either going to use that one or that one. I'm not going to use that one. I don't like this one. Retain your rights before it's too late. Really don't like that one either, but I'll use it. All right. I'm going to scroll down, highlight everything, Control A, then hit delete. Delete everything in that box. I'm going to come down and get the body for the email. Do not copy this hop link. Just stop where it says signature. And we're going to paste that right there where it says signature. Just go ahead and put your name right here where it says name. We're going to grab this little code right here, highlight everything. If my computer will stop acting crazy. Gonna copy that. Then I'm gonna insert it right there. We're gonna replace where it says name with that little code right there. All right, I like to do my little 0 through 9 trick real quick. My 0 through 9 trick is I type out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I do that 4 times. Because I really don't want my email stretching out too much further past where that stops. So after the word media right here, I'm going to start a new line. And I just like to do all this in my notepad because I'm so familiar with notepad. You can do this either way you want. You don't even have to do this if you don't want. I just do it because it makes the emails easier to read on cell phones and it just looks more professional. So after the word media, I'm just going to highlight right in front of jobs, hit backspace and hit enter. And I'm just going to keep doing that for all the lines until they're all pretty much not stretching out past the word media. All right, now that that's done, I'm just going to copy all that minus the numbers up there because I don't need those numbers. And I'm going to highlight everything here, hit Control A, then I'm going to paste it with Control V. So now we need to get our link so we can insert our affiliate link so whenever they click on it, we get paid. Well, if they click on it and buy, then we get paid. So we're going to come back to this very first tab. And right here where it says promote, this is the product we're promoting. So we're going to click on promote. What's required is your account nickname, so make sure your account nickname is written in there. That's how they identify who's going to get paid. Your tracking ID is optional. I got 2 accounts, so I like to use 2 tracking IDs. One's MLGS and the other one's MLGS2 for my second account. So I'm going to type in MLGS, that stands for My Lead Gen Secret. That's the mailing system that we're using. And I'm just going to click on create hop link. So there's my affiliate link right there. When people click on this link and they end up buying from this link, that's when I get paid. So there's a button on the far right. You'll just hit copy. You can't see it because my video's covering it up. But you'll just click on that button that says copy, and it'll copy your hop link, and it'll tell you your hop link has been copied. So I'm going to come back to my mailing system, and I'm going to read through this email and figure out where to insert this this link. So let's see. Do something real quick. All right, now I need to find where to insert this link. So I'm going to go to the link below to register your completed application now. Actually, I'm going to highlight that line. Go to the link below to register your completed application now. I'm going to highlight that line. And I'm going to click on this little link right here. This is how we're going to insert the link. You can hit Control L like it's showing right here, or you can just click on this link and it'll pop up this little box. You will just paste. I got to go back and copy my affiliate link. And you will just paste your affiliate link right in there. You'll click OK. I'm going to do it again for this right here. Complete your application now. Don't miss out. So I'm going to hit Control V, paste that in. Remember, I clicked on this little link right here to open that little box. Paste in the link. Everything looks good. I'm going to click this box that says perfect timing. And right next to this button right here, it has a little button that says preview. I like to preview my emails first to make sure that the links actually work. Make sure I inserted them correctly. The links work. So we're going to hit send email. And there's the first wave of emails going out from our first account. Now here's a quick way to send emails out from your second account. Do not sign out of your first account. Come up to the top where it says mailing system, right click on it and hit duplicate. It's going to open a whole new tab just like the tab you were just in. Now we're going to sign out of this one. Notice there's not a log out button like there should be here. This site is real glitchy like that. Just click on this banner right here. And then that other banner will pop up. Now you can log out. Then we're just going to sign right back in to our other account. And we're just going to repeat the steps. We're going to click on mailing system, select all. We're going to grab our subject from the first page over here. We're going to erase everything in here. We're going to come back and copy everything in here. So Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Come back over here, hit Control V to paste. Click the perfect timing. The people tracking their links, all you have to do is double click on these underlined links. And now all I have to do is just add the number 2 at the end. I'm going to hit preview, make sure the links work. And the links work. So I'm just going to hit send email. And they give you a timer starting at 23 hours. We can only email these people one time a day. So every 23 hours you can email your leads. So that is it for today. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, the links to get signed up for this is right below. It says My Lead Gen Secret. So thank you all for tuning in to my ClickBank series, this little case study that I'm doing. I hope you all are enjoying it. Be sure to check back in tomorrow, see if we get a sale. Thank you all for tuning in. You all take care.